Hey guys, this is Mama Made. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what is in my little garden. So my dad actually came over and made this little chicken wire and these stakes in the ground to keep out the backyard bunnies. Now it never looks this beautiful, but I did just come out here and weed it today. It took me forever. So in this side of my garden here, I have all potatoes. This side I believe is the red potatoes, and then the other half is the russet. So I just planted the potatoes from the grocery store. I let them start to get eyes and I planted them. I think there was 5 and 5. So these right here you can see are already flowering. And then I have here in this row green beans. Something destroyed that plant there, and then they keep laying down, so I kind of mounded them up a little bit. I am not an expert gardener at all, but I'm learning. So anyway, I mounded them up a bit. I might have to stake them if they keep laying down, but they're actually, you can see right here, it already has a little green bean on it. So they actually grew really fast. Now I have green peppers, jalapenos, and tomatoes. Those are the ones that I started from seed inside, and only a few of them actually sprouted, and then when I did transplant them outside, they all just died. So what I ended up doing, I had some leftover seeds in the packets. I just dug a row, dumped the seeds out. I was a little frustrated. I was like, I hope something grows. Well, some of it actually did. So today, there was like right here's like a whole bunch of them, but I did dig up some and kind of spread them out just a little bit. So I think they're gonna be a little slow to harvest, but anyway, so we have the green beans, the jalapenos are in this row here, and then I have tomatoes. These are actually, none of my tomatoes I don't think even made it at all. I did have like one over there, but it died. So I did get the Heinz. It was a sample that they sent of tomato seeds. So that is actually, all of those right there are growing there. Now I did do that experiment with the celery and the lettuce where you use the bottom of it and you regrow it in water. However, once I transplanted it outside, it all died. So I did have those planted here, but then I actually had a couple extra potatoes. So I just did those. Those are probably 6 weeks behind my big ones back there. So anyway, I think they're just white. I think I planted 2 of them. I don't cut them up. I just stick the whole potato in the ground, and that's what happened. Now I had several strawberry plants in pots, and they didn't do so well. I got like 25 berries this year, but they were really small, and my mother-in-law said it might be a good idea to just plant them outside. So now that I have my fence, I did have a garden years ago, but I was getting groundhogs and rabbits destroying it. So I did today just plant all my little strawberries, and they will make runners that will turn into new plants. So alright guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.